Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the best welding helmets. These welding helmets are critical for proper eye and face protection when handling multiple processes of plasma cutting, abrasive wheel cutting or grinding, DC TIG, AC TIG, and many more types of welding. They are safer, light, high-tech and comfortable to wear when the job is throwing sparks or dipping molten metal around the worksite or garage. We ranked welding helmets on a number of different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. You can find the list of products in the description down below. Why not stick around to the end to see who hits the #1 spot in our review. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. The welding helmet coming in at number 5 is the Monster&Master welding helmet. This helmet is designed with true color transform technology, which improves your ability to detect and react in reduced light, and it protects against eye irritation or injury caused by sudden electric arc discharge. It has superior soft comfort with the pivot style headgear, which has ergonomic internal cushion pads for a better fit, plus it is lightweight and comfortable to wear and operate. The Monster&Master welding helmet is suitable for automotive and construction industries and has high flexibility with strong impact, corrosion and high temperature resistance to fully protect your face and neck. Number 4 on our list is the Tullium welding helmet. This helmet has auto-darkening clear light lens with true color technology for extra clarity and welding vision to see the workpiece in its correct location. It is easy to operate with a lightweight shell and adjustable headgear to reduce fatigue when wearing it for long periods, and it's powered by solar panel technology. The Tullium welding helmet has a full face covering to protect the eyes from ultraviolet radiation and infrared rays, damage effectively blocking rays from getting through the face panels. The welding helmet coming in at number 3 is the Antra welding helmet AH6260-6218. This helmet has a passive UV IR filter that ensures no harmful lights can bypass the fully automatic darkening lens and cause damage or stress to your eyes. It's designed to be a flexible solar lithium powered shield to provide full neck and head protection from debris, spatters and harmful radiant strong visible lights. The Antra welding helmet has an easy to operate interface, plus it's lightweight, versatile, convenient and comfortable as a piece of personal protection equipment. Number 2 is the DecoPro welding helmet. This welding helmet is the ultimate eye protection with an auto-darkening filter that switches from light to dark in a split second, and in the event of electric failure it continues to protect against UV and IR. It is solar powered and provides effective protection, being comfortable to wear as it is, or it can be tailored to fit personal preferences and reduce fatigue when worn. The DecoPro welding helmet is highly practical with a 7-inch viewing screen that protects eyes and face from spatters and radiation, making it the smart choice for safety. Finally, coming in at number 1, the welding helmet that we recommend is the Yeswelder welding helmet. This welding helmet has optical clarity with true color technology, giving a real color, not the traditional lime green, for improved visibility and reduced eye strain. It is a lightweight and comfortable design with updated headgear that provides extensive adjustability and support. The Yeswelder welding helmet has 2 premium sensors and a viewing panel measuring 3.64 by 1.67 inches for better optical clarity. So that's it, the 5 welding helmets which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful safety tips, do drop them in the comments section below. If you thought this video was useful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you in your projects again soon. Good luck.